Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use a zoom function on Nintendo Switch Lite. To do this, you will need to open a system settings, but first let's click on home, and right here we have the settings. Then scroll down, at the bottom you can find the system, enter it and scroll down again. At the bottom you can also find the zoom, which needs to be turned on, and if you scroll down a bit more, you can zoom in by pressing the home button twice. So let's try it out. And as you can see, the zoom looks fine. You have all of the controls right here. And to cancel it, double press again. If you want to zoom in or out, you can use the Y and X button. X to zoom and Y to zoom out. If you want to return, as I mentioned, double press on the home key, and as you can see, we just left the zoom mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.